Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Araba here, and I'm back again with another video. Period. So if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, and if you're new, pause the video and subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Okay, I know it's been long since I've been on here, but you know, like I was a bit busy. Yeah. So thank you all for like staying with me here. I really appreciate it. And those of you that don't subscribe, I'm seeing you. So today's video is like a short one. I'm trying to keep it as short as possible. Okay, so is this TikTok trend I've been seeing, and I wanted to try it out. I saw one YouTuber do it and it was okay, but I also want to try it out. It's a makeup hack, a highlight and a contour hack. I'm gonna put it on the screen so you're gonna see what I'm talking about. And yeah, so let's get right into it, guys. I quickly finished my brows off video. The camera was a bit messy, so I'm just gonna go in with my Huda beauty palette and just do something really simple, cause I don't want to do like anything like serious. So I went in with the shade Cocoa. It's like a brown shade, so I went in with that at the top of my crease to see how it is. Don't think about the light. I think the light is a bit it's bright, so everything looks like bright on camera, I guess. So I'm just gonna go in Cocoa, and I don't know what to go in with. I'm thinking of this shade right here, so probably I might go in with that shade, or even this shade, because I want something really okay. Then I'm gonna go in with Mani Atar. I don't know if that's like correct. So I'm just gonna pat it onto my lid like so. Like just to give me like a pop of color, like period. Like so I'm going to do my liner with my Wet and Wild. I don't know if you guys can see. Yes, so this is how it looks like. It's Wet and Wild. This is how their liner looks like as well. I don't know. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna use for my liner today. So I'm going to prime my face with this elf primer. It's like the best. You guys know, like I rely on a product a lot, so I will definitely using the matte. Like it really mattifies everything. Like it brings everything like together. Okay, so you guys should, like, I'll put everything in the description box, but you guys should like try and get it. Okay, sorry, that's too much. I do. Gonna put a bit here, right? So like this, then she goes in with her blush beneath. So I'm gonna use this like that. Then this goes on the nose, and it goes here as well. Oh my god. Then she goes in with her contour. Today I'm gonna contour with LA Colors. we are gonna, this one is also going on her nose, and then she did like right beneath, right? She did like right beneath. I don't know how I look like a freak, but like, let's just try and do what she did. Okay, I think that's a lot of products I am putting on at the moment. You all can see that. Okay, and I think she went in again. She put her contour. She put her contour at the top like so. She get. Then she put her concealer. I think there's a bit of concealer here, maybe down to the nose bridge. Then probably this is how it looks like. I don't know right now, like how, as she goes in with her blush again to the top. I'm not gonna do a lot because I'm scared already, like so. Then I'm gonna use my True Match L'Oreal foundation. I think she put foundation where from, like, you put your foundation where there's no product, so probably here the foundation goes here, and the foundation goes here as well. I look like a freak. Oh my god, what am I doing? I don't know, but this is what I saw. Sorry, then she put a bit of concealer here as well. Oh, sorry. So she put a bit of concealer here. Then there's contour here, of course. She contours here and here. Then obviously you contour your jaw and you contour your other jaw. Okay, so I think this is how it looks. I'm gonna go in my beauty blender. I'm gonna go with the small one because, and I think she contoured her nose. Okay, she contoured her nose like so. Okay, so guys, we are going to blend. I don't know which I should blend first because she didn't show which one you blend, so I'm going to go in with my concealer. This is upset, like, how is this because I'm lost. I don't know how I'm going to look like. This is, I feel, is an epic fail already, like. And I'm gonna blend the other side as well. Okay. Okay, let's try just blend all the concealer. I don't know how this looks like. Then the blush. I don't think this is going on perfectly. Like, it's not working. Gosh. Okay. I saw what she went in for, but I don't think it's working for me. Possibly because I'm just trying. This is horrible. Look at that. Okay, so we're gonna go with the contour. Are you gonna blend everything like together? I don't know.
Taking this at all.
This is an epic fail, seriously. Like, what the hell? I don't know what is happening. Maybe I'm not doing it right, or maybe this is not how it's done, because it is this is not working. Okay, let me just try blend everything. This is what I saw the other YouTuber who tried it. She used like the bottom of the, but can you guys see this? This doesn't work for me. I feel I'm not like a blush person, bruh. This is not working. You guys should like be really careful of these hacks, cause they don't work for me. It doesn't work for me at all. After blending and blending, my hand is even hurting, and this is how I look right now. It's okay, but if you're a beginner, if you're a beginner, I wouldn't even recommend this thing for you. So let's just try and set this thing up. So I'm going to set my face with this setting powder. You can see I really love using it. It's not very little. It's by Ruby Kissing with this. Guys, set up this. Just see what is actually happening here. I'm gonna just set my under eyes and the rest of my face. For the rest of my face, I'm going to go in with my Zikel powder palette. So I'm going to use this for my contour, which I don't know. I just don't know. Let's try and just solve this look, because I'm not getting it. Can you see that? I've been trying to work with this, so let me just go my way and try and blend everything here. God, what is this? This is a very terrible idea. I recommend it for a beginner, to be honest, because she doesn't work. Like, I'm trying it. I'm trying to like save it, but I don't know. So yeah, I don't know. I'm trying to like save the whole thing. Like, so this is my Bobbi Brown brush as well. So yeah. Maybe this is a bit okay. I don't know. So yeah, finally, like, I'm on this page right now, right? which I don't get. So let me just set my forehead as well. Okay, so this is where we are now. So this is where I am right now, trying to get dust. I'm just trying to dust everything off. Christ. This is not working for me. Like, it's not working for me. It's okay, but if you keep so long, it's not gonna blend. Like, none of your products are going to blend, and you have to know the kind of like product you're going to use. So I'm going to go with my blush again. Yeah, she looked like super pretty. I'm not taking that look, so I'm going to go with this blush beautiful blush palette. I don't like, I don't know what I'm doing to myself. Okay, blush coming through, baby. Like, what the hell is this? Like, my face looks too big for a star. Like, I mean, let's try and blend this whole thing together. Like, guys, I'm not getting the how she blended at all. So this is where I am right now. You guys shouldn't even blame me. I'm trying my best to find an epic view. Like, I know. Okay, so guys, I'm back and I just set my face. Okay, so guys, this is like the final look. This is how it came out. So I'm not like really thrilled about the technique and the method. It's not every technique that you see on TikTok that you should like follow, but this is how it came out. It's okay. My sister said I look good, and this is like one of the nicest makeup she has seen me do. But I didn't really like the technique personally. I didn't like it. But I tried to save the day with all my powders and my what. Yes, I think the powder actually saved it, because if I wasn't like putting certain powder or anything on it, would have looked like really messed up. So this is how it came out. I hope you liked the video. This video was like informative or whatever. But if you're a beginner, please don't try this, because if you don't know how to really blend, you're going to have a problem. So from that, everything looks good. I like it. I like every look. So I'm gonna end the video here. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Like, guys, subscribe and share. Thank you so much. I hope you like this video. Bye.